In this video, I will take a deep dive into the brand new OnePlus Watch 4 to see how it stacks up against the competition and whether it is the right wearable for your wrist. OnePlus has clearly learned a lot from their previous attempts, and this latest model feels like a massive leap forward in both design and performance. On the positive side, the build quality is absolutely premium, with a sleek stainless steel casing and a vibrant display that remains readable even under direct sunlight. The battery life is another huge win because you can easily get several days of heavy use on a single charge, which puts many other high-end smartwatches to shame. However, it is not a perfect device. Some users might find the proprietary operating system a bit limiting compared to the vast app libraries found on competing platforms. While the fitness tracking is generally accurate, the heart rate sensor can occasionally lag during high-intensity workouts, which might frustrate serious athletes. On the other hand, the seamless integration with OnePlus smartphones makes it a dream for fans of the brand. It is stylish, incredibly fast, and very comfortable for all-day wear. If you want a reliable watch with great battery and a beautiful screen, this is a fantastic choice. But if you need a huge variety of third-party apps, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, it is a very strong contender in the current market and offers great value for the price.